In the heart of Argentina's industries, revolutionize your operations with EDDY Pump, the vanguard in pumping and dredging excellence. From mining to manufacturing, EDDY Pump's high-quality slurry pumps are a core aspect of Argentina's pump and dredge equipment, optimizing material transfers, enhancing efficiency, and cutting operational costs. As leaders in hydraulic dredging, EDDY Pump's advanced equipment is integral to Argentina's pump and dredge solutions, ensuring precise sediment removal and sustaining waterways. In pivotal industries like food processing, automobile production, textiles, energy, and mining, EDDY Pump is the dependable choice for specialized pumping and dredging solutions. Renting EDDY Pump equipment brings industries flexibility and cost-effectiveness, eliminating substantial upfront capital and ongoing maintenance costs. Scale your equipment requirements as projects dictate. Explore EDDY Pump's product range, including submersible slurry pumps for demanding applications, self-priming slurry pumps for ease of operations, flooded suction pumps for large water volumes, and cutting-edge dredge equipment for efficient material removal. Efficient pumping and dredging solutions are imperative for Argentina's industries. Whether it's wastewater disposal, managing contaminated sediments, maintaining supply chain infrastructure, or optimizing water access for operations, Argentina needs efficient pumping and dredging solutions. EDDY Pump offers tailored solutions across industries, from wastewater disposal in the food processing industry to infrastructure expansion in automobile production. EDDY Pump's self-priming slurry pumps and dredging equipment address specific challenges precisely. EDDY Pump is present in key cities like Buenos Aires, Cordoba, Mendoza, and Rosario, ensuring reliable support and service across Argentina. The EDDY Pump is optimal for Argentina's pump and dredge equipment needs. With cutting-edge technology, tailored solutions, and the flexibility of renting, EDDY Pump empowers industries for long-term success. Explore our rental services today and elevate your operations with EDDY Pump, the epitome of Argentina pump and dredge equipment excellence. EDDY Pump. We pump solids, not water.